ng scrambled egg for my lunch. Ito lang siguro yung dadalhin ko or baka mag-a-add din ako ng snacks like apple. At saka, I got my coffee today, so I need to finish this up. So, yan na yung aking ulam for my lunch. So, tikman lang natin yan. Tapos maglalagay na ako ng kilay. Kilay lang naman nilalagay ko guys kapag nag-work ako. Hindi masyadong makapal. Nagkakaroon ako ng breakout lately. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng kilay. Yung ginagamit ko is yung brush. Deep in brush. Nasabi ko na ba to? Kung ano ginagamit ko, yung LA Colors. I use dark brown for my shade. Good morning! Yan yung aking entrance mirror. So, that's what it looks like. Diba ang ganda? So, dyan yung entrance ng bahay namin. Pagpasok mo, ito yung makikita mo. We have this. I got this from my mother-in-law. Ang ganda niya. Pwede mo na siyang ganyanin. And this one. This is the new version of, I got this from Hobby Lobby also. It's like a cylinder or a tube, like a scientist tube experiment. So, and those two vases I got from Hobby Lobby also. By the way, those are from Hobby Lobby too. And this table is from Hobby Lobby also. I got the mirror from Walmart. And my lights, I got that from Amazon, I think. I got from Hobby Lobby. That from TJ Maxx. That from Branson, Missouri. And those from Hobby Lobby also. That's all, guys. Mirror here. We only need small table. So that's from Hobby Lobby also. And look at my light. I'll show you something. Why I put the mirror there. Amazing. Our fridge. The light. This is where I put my wheat flour. All wheat flour. And 100% wheat flour. And those two. My black pepper. And this is the popcorn maker, and I have olive oil, I have avocado oil. Those two here are black pepper also, and salt also. And we have a new microwave. We bought the microwave from Lowe's, and it doesn't come with the lid. I bought that from Amazon. Ito yung laman ng fridge namin. Wala kaming masyado. And for now, butter, eggs, we have no stock yet. But to the freezer area, we have stock. Meat, all meats, and some frozen vegetable. That's all we have for now. Umalis na yung aking father-in-law. So, I'm thinking to go to the shop today, or maybe I'm going to the mall. I just wanted to buy something fit on me, like long sleeve. Punta tayo ng mall. And the lipstick that I'm using, ano siya, Maybelline brand, matte ink. And my shade is Voyager. Tignan mo namin yung tsura ko, bold na bold. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya. Lately ko lang to ginagawa, guys. Ito yung bag na gagamitin ko. I got this from mall. And my outfit, it's a denim dress. And ito yung chinelas na gagamitin ko. I got this from my mom. And a jean dress. And my slipper. Very old camera that I have. At bibili tayo ng bago soon. Dalawa yung mall dito sa Wichita, Kansas, but this is the mall that many people go. Diyos ko. Sale from $29.99, 19 na lang, 20 na lang. Gusto ko ito. Patingin. H&M. This is sale lang. Gusto ko sana yung kulay kasi ito. Ayaw ko naman ganito. Gusto ko po sana. Yung black. Saan mas maganda? Ito naman tayo sa Hollister, California. Victoria's Secret, guys. And for $35. For sale right now. Tingin-tingin ko. Oh, ouch. Nalalabas na yung pangit. Sa bahay na ako, guys. So, bumili ako ng Panda. I went to Panda. I-haul natin yung mga pinambili ko sa mall. Nag-sale ngayon ang Victoria's Secret. So, nakabili ako ng 10 panty for $35 siya. So, nandito ito lang. Tapos, yung binili ko naman sa American Eagle is yung isa lang. Ganyan. Tapos mayroon siya. Ha? So, yung original price niya is yan. Pero yung nabayad ko ngayon, nasa $42 lang siya. Binili ko to para sa winter kasi wala akong ganito. Maganda siya kasi may ganito siya, oh. Oversize siya na hoodie. Ice cream lang yung kinuha ko, guys. Gusto ka niya, burger. Ito yung makeup station nila. Is my lipstick still there? Mm-hmm. I can't find the color that I want. But I can try this. Where did I get this one? This is where I got it. Meron akong kinuhang iba. Yung set ng mga brushes. May Elf. Elf yung brand. Oh, may fly. May pumasok na fly. Papatayin ko muna yung fly. And next na kinuha ko is yung mascara. Good morning, guys. It's 7:11 ng umaga. Magkakape lang kami sa labas at kakain ng donut. So, hindi na ako nagkilay kasi nagmamadali kami. What?
What are they gonna steal?
Yeah.
Maybe
What if they steal it? Because they didn't lock your car. Sarado yung donut, guys. So, pumunta na lang kami sa Dunkin' Donut. So, I ordered hot caramel macchiato. whatsoever. And it's hot. This is hot. Ay, bilat. Tapos paglata na yung tomato, doon mo na ilalagay yung ground beef. Nilalata ko talaga yung tomato kasi masarap siya pag ganun. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, pag malapot na yung tomato, pwede mo na ilagay yung ground beef. Ay, bilat! So, yan na yung itsura niya guys. Gusto ko siyang medyo matuyo. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating beef seasoning. Ayan, takpan na natin siya para madaling matuyo. Some of the meat that I already took, I'm gonna use them for lumpia. Bowl pala ako ng corn. Tignan nyo, ganito siya kalaki. Ang laki ng lumpia ko. Tada! Ang lalaki guys. Mula sa maliit hanggang sa malaki. Yan guys. Ito na yan. Pag ganyan, ito na yan. So, yan na yung finished product ng lumpia natin, guys. At saka yung sauce na ginamit ko is yung sweet and sour. Tapos nalagyan ko siya ng spicy. Ang init! Ito, nagluluto na naman ako, guys. Lahat na nag-video ko lagi nila nagluluto. So, niluluto ko to siya for a week na siya. Ito pala, tomato ko siya. So, gusto ko siyang lutuin na para good for a week na siya. So, hindi na ako magluluto everyday. Alam mo yun? Tapos, nilata ko yung tomato. Nilagyan ko na rin siya ng seasoning. At saka napakasarap na. Masarap siya kapag lata yung tomato. Tapos, ilalagay mo yung ibang gulay. Yan yung squash. Lahat ng mga nilalagay ko dyan ay galing yan sa aking backyard. Ako nagtanim yan. Ako din nagtanim yan. Ito yung na-harvest ko. Maliliit na carrots at I only harvest one okra. Sarap niya. Ginisang gulay lang siya guys. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng ginisang gulay. Ang sarap. Ang sarap nito. So habang nagluluto ako, nanonood ako ng vlog. Luto na guys ang aking vegetable stir fry. Napakadaling gawin. Ito pala yung aking rice jar. I use brown rice. And here is my rice cooker. So madali lang siya. Ang sarap talaga pag ganitong ulam mo. Yan yung niluto ko kanina. Para siyang naging... Ang lasa niya parang adobong sitaw. Carrots lang yan at saka yung squash.